What's going on, guys? It's been a while. We're live here, and who is still here for from the markets back in 2020? Obviously, we're deep into a pretty brutal bear market right now, but I think we're on a reversal. On this video, I think I'm just gonna talk about what I've been doing for the past long time since I haven't made a video on the markets. It's been, I think, at least it's been 2 years, I think, since I last made a video. So give me a comment if you guys are still here from 2020 and still alive. So what I've been really doing is basically trying to stay afloat until the next bull market comes. And I think it will come. But right now, I think I'm just trying to stay afloat and build up the capital until the next bull market, full bull market. Currently, I think we're kind of on a reversal. It's still a pretty bad market, but I've seen some pretty dramatic jumps in the price action, especially when it comes to Bitcoin. So I will be coming back for more updates on Bitcoin as I have done in the past, as well as maybe some altcoins as well. But I think I'm going to be focusing on the overall markets, which is Bitcoin, Ethereum, the bigger coins. So what have I been doing here for the past 2 years? So I have tried out for a funded account with one of the proprietary trading firms, FTMO. That took a pretty good amount of time. I got a funded account after a few tries. So that was pretty good. I've always wondered about that and how it feels to be a funded trader. And trading with the funded account. It was pretty different, but definitely learned something along the way. I had that funded account for just a little while. It was a very hard market to trade. So right now, that account is basically wrecked. It's basically down to very insignificant amounts. So I don't think I'm gonna be I don't think I'm gonna be going for another funded account anytime soon, because I think it's basically a leverage account, and with leverage ETFs out there, I think I can just basically trade leverage. So I could be talking a little bit more about that going forward if you guys want. But do definitely drop a comment if you guys are still here from 2020, and what you guys have been doing since. Have you guys been up? Have you guys been staying afloat? Or have you guys been down? I still have had some of the profits from 2020 and 2021, and that was still holding on to some of the profits on there. And definitely trying to stay afloat until maybe when Bitcoin recovers and the market recovers. It's recovering, but very slowly. Definitely nothing like we have seen in 2020, 2021, right? What have you guys been doing? Trying to stay afloat, right? I definitely want to know. Since the economy is pretty crazy. So, that's something I'm going to be covering in the future. I still will be covering charts mainly. Probably will be talking about some economic stuff. I think that is something that's very interesting at this time. And yeah, I'm still focusing a lot on trading. That is like I follow the charts almost on the hour. I still have TradingView. If you guys have, if you guys remember, if you guys watch me from before, you guys know that I did my videos off TradingView. I will be coming back with more regular updates on the market if anything is interesting going on. I know there's definitely something interesting going on with the stock market. There's more action there. It's basically, back to almost all-time highs at like, what, 4,800 for the S&P. Bitcoin, not nearly. I think we're still trying to work our way up. So that is something I'm still gonna I'm still gonna watch. I'm still in the markets. It's just, it takes a lot more patience now than what it was before, obviously, and there's a lot more uncertainty. But it's definitely something to watch for. I'm still bullish on the markets, not financial advice. So that is just what I'm doing, what I think. So yeah, I mean, going forward, let me know how you guys have been doing. What you guys have been investing in. I think that's something that I would, definitely want to read into. Even though I think my heart is still very much in crypto, it's, that's going long or short. In 2022, I think that would have been a very good time to have made some short money. But that was when I was, still trying out for the funded accounts and did not, get into some of the ETFs, some of the short ETFs. I very much regret that. I could have done that simultaneously better. But, I actually passed my funded accounts. I actually got my funded accounts through mainly shorting, right? So yeah, like I said, I think I'm gonna be focusing more on not just my own personal accounts going forward. Since it's very much like a funded account, anyways. But if you have leverage, I am trading on some of the exchanges with leverage. I could be talking more about that later on. But it's been crazy with the exchanges, so I haven't, I don't put all my money into one exchange. I kind of spread it across several exchanges because you just never know which exchange could go down. Also be taking profits pretty regularly. That's what I've been doing, so I don't leave too much money on the exchanges. Take profits regularly. That's one way to mitigate risk, right? So yeah, I think this would be we'll see what happens, right? And this would be just me saying hello after 2 years. Been just really trying to stay, make use of my free time here. So I think this would be a very good way, since I'm kind of, I've had experience doing YouTube on the topic. So yeah, given that, I hope I see you guys soon. And let me know what you guys have been doing for sure.